Hello and welcome to R Tipsters Hub, where we look at R programming tips and learning about how to program in the R software. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also watch my other videos as that knowledge builds over time. So for this video, we are going to look at datasets in R. R has inbuilt datasets that you can use to practice your data analysis and also practice some of your programming in R. And these datasets are stored in a package called datasets. So in the next video, we are also going to look at packages in R, what exactly are packages and how do we access them. So if you want to check the datasets in R, we can use the function data into brackets, and then we see that it gives us options of datasets in R. So for example, we see there's a dataset called DNASE, which is an ELISA assay of DNASE data frame with 176 rows and 3 columns of data obtained during development of an ELISA assay for the recombinant protein in rat serum. There's also the chick weight, which is weight versus age of chicks on different diets. So you see R is showing us more about the data set and also showing the number of rows and the number of columns that this data frame has. So there are a lot of different data sets depending on what you're looking for. You can just see how to access them: WAPs, volcano, US pop, trees, tearing, Swiss, sunspots, etc. So there are quite a number of datasets in R, and if we want to say, let's say we want to look at the volcano dataset, we can access it like that. So we run that and we see that the dataset is now available. If we want to see what it contains, we can just use the view function and use volcano, and we see it has 61 variables or 61 columns, and it has 87 observations. So this is how to access a data frame in R, and these are the ones that come inbuilt in R. We can assign it to a new object. We say voc data, then we assign volcano. There we go. We run this, and now we can see that voc data is the data set that we can work with. So these are very important data sets, and you'll be seeing quite a number of them. There's some specific, what I can call famous data sets. For example, there's one called empty cars that looks at motor trend car road tests. So if you see any R tutorial mentioning empty cars, this is an inbuilt data set that you don't need to download. It's already available in R. There's another one called Titanic that is also available, which shows the survival of passengers on the Titanic. And the last one that I know of is one called Faithful, which is Old Faithful data, waiting times between eruptions and durations of the eruptions of the Old Faithful geyser in Yellowstone National Park. So these are some of the common ones. There are a lot more that probably I won't mention, but you can have some time just to check and see which data sets are available. But these are very important because sometimes you don't have access to external data sets, and it's good to work with what you have, even if you just want to do some simple mathematics or simple statistics. So that's how to access the inbuilt datasets in R. Thank you for watching. Look out for the other videos, turn on your notification, and bye-bye, and happy coding.